Hey everybody, it's Tracy Thompson with Remax Grand, and I am at my listing at 150 First Street in Prairie du Sac. Now, some people don't understand the importance of staging. Well, this living room and dining room was completely empty, and so I went out and got a sectional, coffee table, area rug. We've got a lamp and an end table, and boy, does it make a difference, because so many times buyers come into a home and they can't vision it. They can't see, oh well, my couch or chair won't fit in here. Well, baloney. I mean, look at all of this space and how beautiful it is. And can you imagine that fireplace, how great that's gonna feel in the fall and the winter as these cold days hit us? So again, I also went out and got this dining room table, I mean, so cute, right behind us here, to tie it all together. So if you wanna see it, we're having an open house this Saturday, 9 a.m. to 11. Why so early? Well, because the Badgers play, and we thought, let's catch people while they're going to the grocery store to pick up their pizzas or they're on their way to get their drinks. So come on by. But if you're not around this weekend, your schedule doesn't allow, let me know and I will get you in here for a private tour. This house, smack dab in the middle of Prairie du Sac, school districts, built-ins, arched doorways, hardwood floors, all brand new windows that cost the sellers $27,000. So you've got to take a look at this one. But if you have any questions about this property, want to take a tour, let me know. 150 First Street in Prairie du Sac. See ya.